We'll practice describing correlation, estimating slope, and making predictions from a scatter plot. Here's the problem. We have data on hours studied and test scores. 155, 260, 368, 472, 580. Part A, describe the correlation. Part B, estimate the rate of increase per hour. Part C, predict the score for 6 hours using a linear model. Here's a scatter plot of the data. The horizontal axis is hours studied, and the vertical axis is score. The points go up and to the right. First, for part A, we look at the pattern. As hours studied go up, the scores go up consistently. So we say there is a strong positive correlation. Now for part B, we estimate the rate of increase per hour. That's the slope of the line through the points. We pick 2 points, say 155 and 580. The slope is the change in score over the change in hours, 80 minus 55 over 5 minus 1, which is 25 over 4, equals 6.25 points per hour. So the rate of increase is about 6.25 points per hour. For part C, we'll build a linear model. We'll use the point slope form through the point 155. The equation is y equals 55 plus 6.25 times x minus 1. Now we predict the score for 6 hours by plugging in x equals 6. That gives E equals 55 plus 6.25 times 5, which is 55 plus 31.25, equals 86.25, so the predicted score is approximately 86. Thus, the predicted score for 6 hours is about 86. The key takeaway: to describe correlation, look at direction and strength. To estimate slope, use 2 points. To predict, use a linear model with point-slope form.